Hello, X-Cart World. Hey, it's Mike White with Baby Monkey Studios, and I'm back with a video. I think it's been a little while since I've made a video for you guys. This one is about a new module that I've built for a client, and I'm using this video to show off to the client what I've done, and also to show off to you guys, what I could possibly do for you. I have built a module I'm calling Product Sections, and it's for product sections on the home page. What it does is it actually allows you to assign products and a category, which I'll explain all this later, to the home page and actually create as many sections as you want. So, consider this to be like featured products, but it's a featured products that could be used for several different purposes. So I'll just give you an example. You could have hot products. You could have new arrivals. I know we have all of those. You could have best sellers. But this would actually allow you to control directly what products show up in those types of sections. And you can name them anything you want. So it really puts the merchant in control of their home page and allows them to create sections or blocks that have the products that they want to show in the sections that they want to show them. Okay, let's get started. So I've built this thing as a true module. It's just not just a hack to the core files. It actually works as a module, and you can disable it and enable it. I'm calling it Guru Product Sections to reflect the new name of my company, X-Cart Guru. And you can see it set up right back here in the admin. And there's a configuration for it, and it's just got one configuration, and that's the product limit for the front page sections. So I should probably show you the rest first, but this allows you to set how many products will be listed on the front page, and I'll get into more of that later. But let's look at the new section that's being created in the admin. Under Catalog, we have Guru Product Sections. Okay. And this is just a setup for an example. But basically I have, my section. It tells me the section ID that's automatically assigned. And then a category ID input, whether to show or hide this section, and the order of it. Okay? And then down here you can see how we assign the products. And, we copied a lot of stuff that had been done before in X-Cart, so it's a very familiar interface to you guys. And you can see, products can be assigned to no section, and then they won't show up at all, or, to the sections that you create. So if I were to add a new section, another section, and I won't put a category ID for this one. I have to look up my category IDs, and the order by is going to be 2, and I add that. Then I have another section, okay? And then I can assign products to another section or my section. Okay, adding a product is just as simple as you'd imagine. You can just browse for a product, find a product, select it, and assign it to a section. All right, I'm going to assign that to another section. Here we go. And hit Add New. Okay, so let's go shopping for a category ID, because I do want both of these to have category IDs. Let me explain while I'm doing that. Okay, I've got a category ID of 3. I can just tell that by hovering over this. It tells me at the bottom what the cat ID is. Okay, so I've got 3 in this one. Okay, so what it's going to do is it's actually going to show all the products that you've assigned to the section, and it respects the positioning and all that. And then it's going to pull more products from the actual category that's been assigned to it. Now, if you don't want to assign a category, you don't have to. That's just an extra feature of this module. Okay, so let's go look and see how it works on the front side. Now, this particular client that I'm working for that funded the building of this module, which is very nice. Thank you very much. They have already integrated these sliders. So, yours might not work this way. We would, when we release the module, we'll actually, make it to where you can have sliders like this, and I'll put instructions for it. But, basically what it's doing is it's pulling in the products that you've assigned. So here we have my section. We see on the back side, we have my section has 2 products, Binary Mom and electronic drum kit shirt. And then when we go to the front side, you see those 2 first. Then it's pulling in the rest of the categories the rest of the products from the assigned category, and it's respecting the limit that we've set in the settings. So as you can see, this lets you create as many sections as you want, and you can actually limit how many products will be pulled from the category. So if I were to actually go back here and add multiple products to one of these sections, and I had 10 products total, then it would just display those 10 products in the section. But this has the additional benefit of being able to also pull products from a category. So if I assign 5 products and I've set a limit of 10 total products, then it will actually show me 10 products, the first 5 being the ones that I assigned in the order I assigned them, but also the next 5 being the category, pulled from the category, and it will just be in the order that the category displays by default. So it's just the default category order. This may get customized a little bit further, but for now, this is how it works. So, I'm putting this video out there. Maybe it'll give you some ideas for how to customize your own X-Cart. I'm also hoping that, you guys will contact me, and maybe I can sell you this module since we already have this code done. Haven't set a price on it yet, but it's quite a nice module, so it might be fairly expensive. Or we can customize something like this for your store. All right. Well, this is Mike White with Baby Monkey Studios and X-Cart Guru signing off and wishing you the best of luck in all your e-commerce efforts. Thanks. I'll talk to you soon.